Every night, Max fell asleep faster than anyone else, but his snores stayed awake all night long. At first, it was just one snore, but it didn't stay quiet for long. Under Max's bed, someone was having a very noisy night. Whoever lived under Max's bed had tried everything. Finally, the monster decided it was time to come out and say something. Carefully, very carefully, the monster tried to get Max's attention. For just one tiny moment, it almost worked.
That's when Max finally woke up and realized he wasn't alone.
Max expected something scary, but what he saw was mostly just sleepy. It finally clicked. The monster wasn't here to scare Max. He just wanted some sleep.
So Max decided to try something new, very, very carefully.
Max was trying his very best, but his snores had a mind of their own.
Everyone was holding their breath, including the monster.
Max and the monster were finally working together. For the first time all night, the snores were gone. With peace restored, the monster could finally get some sleep too.
And just when everything seemed peaceful, now it was Max's turn to lose some sleep.
Max finally understood. Everyone snores sometimes. Sometimes, being kind is the quietest solution of all.
And from that night on, everyone slept a little better.